Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video how to log out all devices in Chat OpenAI. Alright, first you have to log in your account in Google. Then you can see that ChatGPT. Go ahead and click that ChatGPT. Okay, going to page like that. Then you can see under your name. Go ahead and click your name. Okay, then go into settings. Click that settings. Okay, after setting you can see that security. Go ahead and click that security. Okay, log out all of activity session across all devices including your current session. It may take up to 30 minutes for other devices to be log out. Okay, go ahead and log out all. Okay, now you can see that bottom left corner you already log out all devices. Then you have to log in, put your password and email, then we're going to be back to login. Alright guys, that's the way how to log out all devices Chat OpenAI. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.